In this video, we're going to look at how you can submit work to your child's class teacher. This could be just in the form of a comment if no written work has been set, or perhaps to upload a photograph that's been taken of some written work, or upload a document that's been saved on your laptop or your iPad. So once again, I'm going to click into my classroom and go straight to my classwork. Now, if I have a look here on Thursday, I'm going to just log into this PE assignment that I've been set and view assignment. And here I've been asked to have a go at the physical activities or get involved with Joe Wicks on the Monday, Wednesday and Friday mornings. Now this doesn't need necessarily a photograph or anything to be sent in. I would like my teacher to know that I have been doing my workouts in the morning. So this area over here allows you to post a private comment that will go to your class teacher against this assignment. So I might pop in here, I have completed Joe Wicks 3 days this week. I can post that by clicking on this little blue arrow, and that comment can be sent to my teacher. Now, along up here, I've completed this task now. There's nothing more that I need to do. I don't need to add or create any document. So I'm going to click on that blue mark as done, and that will be then sent to my class teacher with my comment attached to it. It comes up with a little icon box here just to make sure you're ready to send, and yes, I mark as done. And if you can see here, this did say assigned, but now it's telling me that I've turned this piece of work in to my teacher and I've sent this comment with it. I've got nothing more I need to do with that piece of work. So that's completed until my child's teacher has a little look at it and maybe returns it with a comment to me. So I've finished there with my PE. I'm going to go back into my classwork and have a look at how to submit some work that maybe has been taken a photograph of. I'll go up to Monday and have a look here at decimals work. And with this maths assignment, I've been asked here to do some White Rose maths. So it could be that I printed off the sheets and then worked directly on them, or maybe I've had the sheets on my screen and I've been able to write the work out on a piece of paper. This could also be similar with some literacy writing that I've been asked to do, and I've done it on a separate piece of paper. I've then taken a photograph of that and saved that to my device. I now want to attach that photograph and send it to my teacher. So again, we go over here. As you can see, it's currently showing that the work has been assigned. And I'm going to click on Add, and I want to add a file. I then get an opportunity to look at my recent Google documents, or I can browse my entire folders. So I know that I've saved it in my documents, and I've saved it in here, and here is my photograph of my maths work. So I'm going to click on that and click open. It will then upload that photograph into that document so that I can send that to my child's teacher. It might take a little bit of time with my Wi-Fi to upload, but there we go. So it's uploaded here, and it's shown me now that that photograph has been attached. Still shown assigned. I could put a comment in and say, yeah, I completed this well, or I struggled with question 3. I don't have to put a comment necessarily. I've attached my work and I'm going to turn that in. Again, it's just prompted me. Yeah, I'm happy to turn it in. And as before, it's changed from term assigned to turned in. So I know that photograph has been sent to my teacher. I'm going to go back into my classwork just to demonstrate for you how to attach a document that's been saved. So if I go down to an English, let's go to English story planning here. Look at my assignment. And on this, I've been asked to write a story plan. So maybe I've done this as a Word document and I've managed to type this up. Or this could be science or topic work or just some reflections that you've been asked to look at through Photos for Schools. I've been typing it and I've saved it as a work document onto my laptop. Once again, I go into Add and I'm adding a file. So I'll click on File. I once again need to browse my documents, and I know I saved it in my documents. It's actually gone straight to it for me this time. Here's my English story plan, and I'm going to open, and it will attach my story plan to that assignment. That can then get sent to the teacher. The teacher can open the assignment, have a read of what you've done on Word, and then we'll send you a comment back. Again, if you want to add a private comment, if you've really enjoyed this particular piece of work, you might want to say that there. When you've added any comment, I've attached my story plan, and I'm going to turn that in. Turn in, and that will be sent now to my child's class teacher. Again, it's changed here to turned in. So I've completed that piece of work. Just as we did before in a previous video, if you click on classwork and we scroll up to the top to this little icon that says view your work, you can see now that it's telling me which ones I've actually turned in. So I've done these 2 PE ones here, and as we look down, we would find the decimal one somewhere. Here we go, here's the English story plan that I've turned in. So it's quite a nice way to keep your eye on the work here that's been assigned and that's been turned in or returned. One final thing, if I click onto my classwork, if you scroll down, you can now see the work that I've done has actually changed from this blue icon, or it could be green or purple, depending on what class you're in, and it's gone grey. That's another way of just telling you very quickly, yeah, I've done these tasks, I've just got this one left here to do. So it's a way of keeping an eye on what tasks are needed and what's left to do.